Do you ever want to make something and you have no idea what to make? I have plenty of material. I have quite a few blanks. I have endless SVGs. And today I'm just stumped. I combed and combed. I am in my Love SVG file. I keep all of my files by website. So the website is lovesvg.com. I'll make sure and put it in the description. I got towels. Like I said, I had plenty of materials. I have vinyl. And we're gonna make this really cute SVG that says, "You wash, I'll dry." All right, we have uploaded it. We will click on it and bring it into Add to Canvas. I already had something else there. Whoops. The way these come in, each portion is grouped and everything is individual. Nothing's like welded. So you're gonna want to weld certain things that you want to, or attach, that you want to keep them together. You could also like just take this whole thing, flatten it, put an offset on it, and do a print thin cut if you had those transfers and not vinyl. I'll be using iron-on or HTV, so I just gotta pick my colors and decide which I am actually going to place. Fixing a fail. Thank you to Betsy Gotcher, Cut and Corner Vinyl, Nederland, Texas. When I pressed it, for whatever reason, the word love never stuck. You can see the glue, you can see the residue, and the vinyl never stuck. It just stayed on the sheet. Big old mess. So we're gonna try that specialty vinyl. And then we'll flip the towel over and get back to what we were doing to begin with. See, I told you I had stuff in my stash. Valentine's fail fixed. Save your fails. Do not give up on yourselves. All right. This, our fail. Now, the other side. We are crafting our stash, fixing a fail. Don't forget to mirror. And when you do, don't forget to mirror on every single mat. And then don't forget to put yourself back on the first mat, because that is the one that, of course, in your mind is where it should go. But if you edited it, when you click continue, I'll leave it on number 3. That is the mat that's ready to cut. I have to go and click back up to mat number 1. All 3 of these materials are from my stash. I have 2 Cricut vinyls. One is blue, one is like a seafoam, and then the silver. The silver is actually something from a mystery box I got a long time ago, and that was not a Cricut purchase. If I knew the name, I would shout it out. I have a rather fresh blade, so I am still on default pressure. Everyday iron on. And if you are new here, clean your blade often. I clean my blade every time I use my machine. If you're not new here, you know I save all my scraps. I want to get as much use as I can out of everything. Also, you know, I love these scissors. They come in a 3-pack from Walmart and they're wicked affordable. 3 scissors and I think I paid $12 and change. So like I did everything I could to get every last bit, because you never know how you'll position something on a mat. I know this material came from 143 vinyl. I wish I could tell you if it was StarCraft or Caesar. I got it when Marvin and Delonda did the live together. I did the Try It kit. That's a video too I've done. Big changes happened in the craft space yesterday. I moved some equipment for a new work at home opportunity that I've been a part of, and where the desk was before and the bookshelf was before, I have flip-flopped around and I'm liking it so far, but I haven't worked, so we'll see this week, right? the Easy Press 2 preheating. We have our fail that we fixed. So we're going to do the other side. With you wash, I'll dry. Our press is almost ready, so I'm going to use it to preheat and get some of those wrinkles out. These are the great big tea towels, the ones that you get for embroidery. I don't embroider.